Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to study the second method of depreciation, which is called written down value method. It is also known as reducing balance method or diminishing balance method. So we start with the first problem. Meeta purchased a machinery for rupees 1 lakh on 1st April 2016 and decided to depreciate it at 10% per annum on written down value method. She closes her books of accounts on 31st March every year. Prepare machinery account and depreciation account for 3 years. So this is a simple problem where we have to charge depreciation according to written down value method. So we will first draw machinery account, write down in the books of Meeta. Machinery account. So first sentence says Meeta purchased machinery for rupees 1 lakh on 1st April 2016. So first entry is for purchase of that machinery and it is machinery account debit to cash or bank account. So on the debit side of machinery account, write 2016 April 1st to cash or bank account 1 lakh. They have told us it is 10% depreciation, written down value method, and she closes her books on 31st March every year. So first year we have purchased. Now end of the year we will charge depreciation. So 2017 March 31st. Depreciation entry is depreciation account debit to machinery account. So write on the credit side by depreciation account. Now, machinery was purchased 1st April, used throughout the year. So, 10% depreciation on 1 lakh. So, that will be 10,000. Now, we have to show the account for 3 years. So, to come to the next year, you have to close the account for the first year. So, take the total and get the balance. Right, 1 lakh debit is greater. So, write it on the credit. Then write March 31st on the credit side by balance carried down 90,000. Bring down the balance to the next year 2017 April 1st. Write to balance brought down. So balance is 90,000. Now we have to charge depreciation. Now we are doing the second method. It's called written down value method. So when we charge depreciation here, it has to be on the balance and not the original cost. Okay, so your balance is 90,000. So end of the year 2018, March 31st, right, by depreciation account. Depreciation, it will be 90,000 at the rate of 10%. So it will be 9,000. Close the account for the second year. Debit greater 90,000. Write it on the credit side and get the balance. Right, 31st by balance carried down 81,000. Now, third year, bring down the balance 2018 April 1st to balance brought down 81,000. Now we have to show depreciation machinery account for 3 years. So third year depreciation, end of the year 2019, March 31st, by depreciation account. Now depreciation, the balance that you brought down is 81,000. So 81,000 at the rate of 10%. So your depreciation will be 8,100. Now close the account. They have asked us only for 3 years. Get the balance. Again, debit greater 81,000. Write it on the credit side. Write 31st by balance carried down. 72,900. Now they have asked us only to show 3 years, but since we have a balance, you have to bring it down to the next year. Only bring it down. So write 2019, April 1st. To balance brought down 72,900. So we have finished machinery account. Now when you are preparing depreciation account, just look at the credit side of machinery account. Wherever it is depreciation, that depreciation you will write. So come to depreciation account. Now in this problem, depreciation is charged on 31st March. So first one is 2017, March 31st. Write to machinery account. The entry is depreciation account debit to machinery account. It is 10,000. Transfer this to profit and loss account at the end of the year. So 2017, same date, March 31st, by profit and loss account. 10,000. Close the account by taking the totals. Now next year is 2018, March 31st. Again, you will write to machinery account. And second year's depreciation was 9,000. Transfer this to profit and loss account, 2018, March 31st, by profit and loss account, 9,000. Close the account for 2018 by taking the totals. We've got one more year, that is 2019, March 31st. To machinery account, 8,100. Transfer to profit and loss account, 2019, March 31st. By profit and loss account, 8,100. So if you see, the depreciation keeps on reducing year after year. Under straight line method, it is the same year after year. So you have to charge depreciation on the balance that comes down at the beginning of the next year. So this was a simple problem. Now we will go on to the second problem. We look at the second problem. SEMA Limited purchased a machine for rupees 60,000 on 1st October 2016. On 1st April 2017, the company purchased an additional machine costing rupees 20,000. On 31st March 2019, the machinery purchased on 1st October 2016 was sold for rupees 40,000. Depreciation was provided annually on 31st March at the rate of 10% per annum on written down value method. Prepare machinery account and depreciation account for 3 years. So if you see there, we have got a purchase on 1st October, again a purchase on 1st April. So there are two purchases and a sale. So for this, we will first prepare a working note. Now first you write down the 3 financial years, so you come to know where there is a purchase. So first is 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017. Next is 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. And third, 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. Now they said she purchased machinery on 1st October 2016. So it comes in the first year. In between the year, 1st October 2016, there is a purchase. Second sentence of the problem says on 1st April 2017 itself, there is a purchase. So that is the second purchase. And then they tell you on 31st March 2019, that is end of the third year, there is a sale. So now we will record this. First, we will prepare and find out the depreciation of each year. So write down the working. You have to write machine 1, machine 2, and total depreciation. Okay, we begin with the original cost of the machine on 1st October 2016. Cost of machine on 1st October 2016, it is 60,000. So in the first year, only one machine which is purchased on 1st October. So we will charge depreciation now end of the year because financial year closes 31st March. So deduct the depreciation on 31st March 2017. Machine is bought in October. So from October to 31st March 2017 is 6 months. So you will charge depreciation only for 6 months. That's 60,000 at the rate of 10% for 6 months. So it's 3,000. Deduct depreciation and you will get the balance for the next year. So balance on 1st April 2017 is 57,000. Now on the same date, another machine is purchased on 1st April. So that is 20,000. So under machine 2, write 20,000. Okay. So now we will charge a depreciation for the second year. So less depreciation on 31st March 2018. Now for the first machine, we will charge on the written down value, that is 57,000 at the rate of 10%. So that is 5,700. And second machine, it is bought on 1st April. So throughout the year, 10% on 20,000 is 2,000. Now deduct the depreciation, get the balance for the third year. Balance on 1st April 2018 is 51,300 and for the second 18,000. Now the first machine, it is sold end of the year. So we have to charge depreciation for the full year. So depreciation on 31st March 2019, 10% of the balance. So 5,130. And on the second, it will be 1,800. So deduct. Now first machine is being sold. Okay. So the balance over there is 46,170. And then it is being sold. So the sale value of that first machine is 40,000. So you have purchased the machine, used it, and after using, you are selling. So after using, your value was 46,170, but you are getting only 40,000. So that means you are making a loss on the sale of your machine. So the loss is 6,170. Now, second machine still remains in the business. It is not sold. So what is the balance of that? It is 16,200. Now take the total depreciation year wise. First year it is 3,000. Second year 7,700. And third year 6,930. So it becomes easy for us to write it in the account. Now based on this, we will post this in the machinery account and depreciation account. So draw machinery account. Write down in the books of SEMA Limited machinery account. Now, first year is 2016. A machine is purchased on 1st October. So, write October 1st to cash or bank account. 60,000. Now, you will charge depreciation end of the year 2017. March 31st. So, write by depreciation account 3,000. You have to just look at the working note and get the depreciation. So it was 3,000. So first year depreciation is charged. You will close the account by getting the balance. So 60,000 debit side, write it on the credit side. Then get the balance on 31st March by balance carried down. 57,000. Bring down the balance to the second year, 2017, April 1st. To balance brought down, 57,000. Now, in the second year, there was a purchase. So you have to record the purchase, which was again on 1st April. So April 1st to cash or bank account, 20,000. Now we will charge depreciation end of the year 2018, March 31st by depreciation account 7,700. Again from the working note. Close the account. Total on the debit side 77,000. Write it on the credit side. Balance 31st March by balance carried down 69,300. Now come to the third year, 2018, April 1st. To balance brought down 69,300. Now we will charge depreciation 2019, March 31st by depreciation account. Third year's depreciation from working note 6,930. Now there is sale. So we have to record, we are going to receive the cash entries, cash or bank account debit to machinery account. So this is also on 31st March. So write by cash or bank account. This is sale value, which is 40,000. And you have made a loss on sale. So the entry is profit and loss account debit to machinery account. Again on 31st March by profit and loss account 6,170. And now close the account and get the balance. So debit side total 69,300. Right on the credit side 69,300. March 31st. Buy balance carried down 16,200. Everything from the working note. So we have a balance, so bring it down to the next year, 2019, April 1st. To balance brought down 16,200. So we have finished machinery account. Now we will draw the depreciation account. Now you already know depreciation account. All entries are again on March 31st. So just for 3 years, we have to show the entries. So on the debit side, write 2017 to machinery account. Name of the asset to machinery account 3,000. Transfer this to profit and loss account 2017 March 31st by profit and loss account 3,000. Close the account by taking the totals. Come to the second year 2018 March 31st to machinery account 7,700. Transfer to profit and loss account 2018 March 31st by profit and loss account 7,700. Close the account. Write the totals. And now the last year, 2019, March 31st, to machinery account 6,930. Transfer to profit and loss account 2019, March 31st, by profit and loss account 6,930. Close the account. Pick the totals. $6,930. So we have done two problems on written down value method. So you know that written down value method means you have to take it on the balances that you bring down to the next year. It's always on the balance and not the original cost. So I hope you understand. If you have not, you can message me. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.